Good morning. Today I have a very interesting day, In fact, throughout this week, because we're going to Rivonia for a training for interns. Let's go there. I'll tell you more about it during the day. Now, a group of people, so I'll have to pick up some of them, Not that I'm driving. Just requested. We'll pick up some of them, different stops, and then we go to Rivonia, morning side. Never been there. It's gonna be my first time. Car has already arrived. Made it to Sandton city. The place that we are going to is this building over here. Not really sure where the entrance is though. It's lunchtime in this beautiful place. Alright, it was lunchtime, and take a look at this place. Yeah. And then we have what tallest building in Africa over that side. I don't know what the name of this place is here. Then we have this. Alright, just a stretch break because we went for lunch after that. Time for me to explain. So, at the end of the day, I'm doing my work integrated learning, right? And my contract is ending in a few months from now, which is October, end of October, And now it's end of August, so I'm left with 2 months, literally, So I'm here with some of the interns for training, So it's a Segelo. It's a training institution, So that is why we are here. And this training leans a little bit into business and entrepreneurship. So I hope I'm going to learn a lot from these 3 days, but it's going to be a 3-day program, Because in life I'm interested in entrepreneurship. I would like to do something, not only beyond corporate, I would like to create my own thing, Just for instance, take a look at this. You see, this is just a field. I'm not sure if it's a soccer field or what, you know, and almost all over them, you know, and there are people who are playing there. The grass is cut and everything is clean and nice, you know. Ask yourself, who is responsible for making sure it looks like that? Who is responsible for making sure it's clean and it's not overgrown and stuff like that? Look at this building. It has clean windows, you know. It has clean and shiny windows. Who is responsible for that? So I mean, like, those are the things that I'm interested in. Those are the things maybe that I would like to venture in as time goes by, you know. So yeah, I'm hoping to learn a lot from this training. That is exactly why we're here. Let me go back. So this is 11th floor of the building, and this is the organization. Sisegelo Institute. That concludes our day 1 training. All right, early morning, some of the colleagues went with, we left them behind. They were late, but they found their way here, you know. Now we requested, waiting for our car. It's going to take us to the office, to the other stop, and then to my place. And then this is the building that we were at. Now I think these are office spaces, you know. It's called Sino Steel Plaza. Take a look at this building. So we have parking over here, and then over there it's buildings. And the building that we were at, Tina, it was floor 11, you know, or 11th floor. So yeah, now we wait. Hello, that was pretty much my day, you know. And I don't want to lie, it was a productive one. So now we're only left with 2 days, you know. And I think this training is accredited. I'm not sure, but I will, yeah, because this is a serious institution, you know. So I will see you when I see you tomorrow when we're going there for the second day.